Mutton chops. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon crushed cumin. 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 cup yogurt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix it well. Marinate it for 2 hours. Half cup olive oil. Add marinated chops. Mix. Cook it for 45 minutes on medium flame. Half teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix. Half glass water. Again, cook it for more 15 to 20 minutes. Squeezed lemon. Garnishing with coriander and green chili. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more delicious videos.